Welcome to our quick guide on how to enable auto-downloading videos on WhatsApp. If you've ever been frustrated by having to manually download videos in your chats, this tutorial is for you. We'll walk you through the simple steps to set up automatic video downloads when you're connected to Wi-Fi. This feature can save you time and ensure you never miss out on important video content shared by your friends and family. Let's get started with the process. First, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Now, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. You'll see the familiar green icon with the white phone inside. Once the app is open, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for WhatsApp, where you can customize various aspects of the app. Now, scroll down the settings menu until you find the option labeled Storage and Data. This is where we'll make the changes to enable auto-downloading. Tap on Storage and Data to enter this submenu. Here you'll see several options related to how WhatsApp handles media files. Look for the section that says Media Auto-Download and tap on When Connected on Wi-Fi. This option allows you to choose which types of media will automatically download when you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. In the list that appears, you'll see different types of media such as photos, audio, and documents. What we're interested in is the Videos option. Find the checkbox next to Videos and tap it to select it. You'll see a check mark appear in the box. Once you've done this, tap OK at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled auto-downloading for videos on WhatsApp when connected to Wi-Fi. From now on, whenever you receive a video in a chat and you're on a Wi-Fi network, it will automatically download without you having to tap on it. This can be especially useful for those times when you want to watch videos later without worrying about data usage.